Wow, look at this. Four-stroke, see, they stall. They do stall a lot easier. My two-stroke, I say mine, it wasn't mine, but that didn't stall at all. It was amazing. I'm just so not used to a four-stroke. I think that's the main thing. It's just completely different power delivery on this thing. Wow. Wow. Oh, stalled. Okay. Oh my god, my clutch hand, oh, has given up. So far on the 350, yeah, it's an awesome bike, but it's kind of put me off. Especially, I mean, maybe the older generation wasn't as insane, but this one is, yeah, it's quite rapid, this one. It's a bit of a handful. There's a lot of people that would love this bike, but I'm thinking, like, what we've ridden today, the two-stroke just, oh, it felt a lot smoother. The clutch was definitely lighter than this. This clutch feels really, really stiff, like heavy, so it makes your arms quite tired. So when I was going up that rocky hill, I just gave up on my clutch finger and just tried to torque it through. Oh my god, look at these rocks. It's so loose. Got to kind of put it in third and just go. Do you know what the weirdest thing about this 350 is? The vibration on this is worse than the two-stroke, and that's got to be a first. Those two-strokes are insane. I thought I'd really enjoy the four-stroke. I mean, it's a nice bike, but I don't think I'll buy one now. Yeah, they think I'm a pro. The place we're going right now, ridiculous. Oh wow, still going up. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's still going. Oh, I screwed that up. Okay. Oh yeah. Whew. Well, I have no clue what's going on, but no one seems to be changing bikes, so I think I'm stuck with the 350. So I'm getting a little bit more used to it, I'd say, but still not. I think, whoa, great, these are big rocks. I think in order to ride the 350, you just need some open stuff, like a bit more faster. Whoa! Like these kind of trails, it's quite nice on. It does well in the slow stuff. It's just I can feel the weight, and I'm used to a light bike. I'm a little bit scared. We'll see what's happening here. Hopefully there's a lot of grip on this stuff. I'm really scared right now, but I'm just gonna concentrate because it's so steep. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Oh. Look at this. Oh my god, I need to come back to Africa and ride. It's mega. Oh no, this doesn't look fun. Is there a better place to cross than that? No! That was nice and refreshing. The sun is getting down a bit, so we're just making our way back. Oh, well, I thought it was going to be a nice easy ride, but not so much. Okay, it's not that easy. Wow. Look at this. Oh my god. Africa's phenomenal, boys. Phenomenal. Love it. I made one! Wow. Okay, that was extremely scary. There's a big drop to my right which you couldn't see, but get me home ready, I'm knackered. Well, the 350, what can I say? I mean, the bike is actually amazing. I always wanted a 350 and I've tried some previous models and I really liked them. So I tried this new 2024 model and it packs a punch. So you've got the aggressive mode and you've got the tame mode. I only rode it in the tame mode. I was in the aggressive mode at the start when I crashed and it just seemed like the throttle was really juddery on the hard stuff. So I put it in the slow mode. The one main problem, well, there's a few problems, so I'll go through them with you. The clutch on the 350 is really stiff. It's really hard to pull, whereas the two-stroke was a lot lighter. So the two-stroke just felt like a breeze to ride, where this was a little bit more of a struggle. Only in the hard stuff when you have to clutch a lot. So the bike performed amazing in the hard stuff. As you can see on the GoPro clips that you just seen, on the rocky sections and really steep up hills, it would track through anything. It'd stall a few times, but I was quite surprised at how agile it was. But when you're clutching through that stuff up a mountain for a long period of time, your clutch finger just dies and you just give up like I did and I crashed the bike. So yeah, the clutch is
quite stiff. You can feel the weight on the 350. It feels quite heavy, and maybe that's just because I'm used to riding the 300 two-stroke, but it definitely felt heavier. The clearance of the bike is amazing with that PDS shock on the back. Changed the frame so you have a little bit more clearance and you could really feel out on the rocks. And the suspension did feel a little bit harder than on the 300, so I don't really know what's going on with that. But as a two-stroke rider myself, I still preferred the two-stroke, but the four-stroke did really well in the slow, hard enduro stuff, which I was quite surprised about. So I suppose if you're a 350 rider anyway, then you'd probably really like this 350 because it is massively different from the previous models. But for me personally, I'm going to stick with the two-stroke. That's just my personal opinion on it. I hope you guys get to try it out for yourself. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.